Hi guys, welcome to another card making tutorial on my YouTube channel. So for this card, I start off with dual textured Craftangles cardstock, which is perfect for ink blending, and on top of it I am using some Craftangles stencil mask. The stencil mask that I am using is heart one, and they come in a set of 3. So I am using the largest heart stencil mask, and since these are sized to be perfect with A2 card, I am just aligning it with the card and then I start with my blending. Since these are sized to be perfect with an A2 card, I don't have to worry about it being centered, etc. since my cardstock is also slightly smaller than A2 and hence it lines up perfectly. So I have ink blended the heart using some red color. So this red distressing color was already on my brush. I have not used any additional colors as I wanted a light wash of red color on top of it. Post that, what I am doing is I am using another Craftangle stencil which is starry background, and I am using some Snow White Craftangles glimmer paste on top of it. So what this does is it creates the star only in the area where the mask is open. So only in the heart areas is where the stars will come. And since it is glittered glimmer paste that I am using by Craftangles in white color, it will be all glittery once dry. So while the card pattern dries, I move on to the boy that I will be using on my card. So this boy is from the Craftangle stem set, an older release which is Sweet Love, and I stamped the boy on 100% cotton watercolor paper. This is cold pressed paper by Craftangles, and I stamp it using VersaFine Onyx Black ink. So once the ink is dry, I move on to watercoloring, and for watercoloring I have used Craftangles liquid watercolors. So for skin I use a combination of Eau Fudge and Lemon Tart. For hair I use a color Blackberry, and for the jacket and shoes as well I use the same color Blackberry. For the roses I use soft Soulmate, which is a red color, and for the blue I'll use Poolside color. So what I am doing is I am doing very simple watercoloring over here. I am considering my light source coming from the right side, so all my shadows will be on the left corner, and just here is the place where I have added some highlights of light. Rest all the clothes coloring I have kept pretty simple. So I'll let you enjoy the coloring and I'll come back once the coloring is complete. So once I am happy with how the coloring looks, I move on to fussy cutting the character. So for fussy cutting, what I do is a tip which really helps me is that I keep the scissor stationary and I move my paper around. So you can see that my left hand is moving a lot, which holds my paper, and I try to keep my right hand steady. So this has really helped me while fussy cutting the character, and I am able to cut it precisely along the edge of the character. So I hope you give it a try while you are fussy cutting, and I hope it helps you. So once the fussy cutting is complete, I decide on the sentiment for the card. So for the sentiment, I am using this sentiment which is Hello Beautiful, and this comes from a pre-printed sentiment sheets by Craftangles called Love Sentiments. And now I am deciding on where I want everything, and I'll be foam mounting both the boy and the sentiment using some blue double-sided foam tape. I did not want my boy to float in the air, so I'm just adding some light blackberry color to ground the boy on the card. For my card base, I have used some Craftangles Midnight Black cardstock. As always, all the products used in this card will be linked below in the description. Now I stick this pattern to some card base using Fevicol. So that completes my card for today. I hope you enjoyed the process. If you did, don't forget to like and comment and do consider subscribing. Thank you.